first night in Puerto Peñasco. Let's see your fit check, baby. Where's your top from?
Essentials.
And your pants.
These are Calvin Klein pants.
And your face. From the Lord Jesus Christ himself. And your haircut by Mitch.
Yep.
Period. This is my outfitty.
Yeah.
I'm wearing this dress from Zara. Where did I get this from?
I have no idea.
I think I got it from like TJ Maxx or something. It doesn't matter where I got things from. It just matters how good I look. The vibe was like chill, not doing too much. I did a little beat, a little hoop, a little high, half up, half down, and we're good to go.
Yeah.
Just a cute little, we're just going to an Italian restaurant in Mexico outfit. Yes, elevator lighting, baby. Not that way, this way. Welcome to my room. Okay, let's go. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Muchach and muchach's food. I think it's safe to say we can stick to Italian food where we know to get Italian food.
Yeah.
Tomorrow night, we're getting Mexican food in Mexico, okay? Don't play with us. Good morning. Do you guys see this view behind me? Like, I'm such an ocean girl. Looking at this ocean is making me so happy. So, it is day 2. I'm about to do some yoga Pilates on this big old balcony. I will show you how big this balcony is. But yesterday was an eventful day. Let me give you a little story time. So yesterday, it's our first time driving to Peñasco. So we crossed the border just fine. We're driving through the little town to get to Peñasco. We get right into like the main city center. It's still like sort of early in the morning, so there's a little traffic. We're chilling, like vibes are high. We're like, okay, we made it. This looks great. We get pulled over by the police, yeah. So we're like, what the did we do? Like, we didn't do anything. We literally were at a stoplight. The light turned green and we went. So we're like, okay, like we know we didn't do anything, so let's just see what they're saying. Mind you, yo hablo un poquito español. We speak very little Spanish. We still were able to figure it out. But he stops us and basically says like our tint is illegal, it's too dark. Which Khalil does have a dark tint on his vehicle, but like we live in Arizona, it's so hot, so it helps keep us cool in the car. Apparently it's illegal here in Mexico. So they take us to the police station. I stay in the car, Khalil goes in. And I'm like texting like, what are they saying? Like, I can't see you. And they're basically like, we need to remove the tint. We're not removing the tint. Like, it's not possible. We're figuring it out. And like just driving with our windows down. It was like, there's no way. Like, because of the tint is too dark. So we found a solution, we think, paid our little ticket, and we respect rules wherever we are. It's just not like we can just take the tint off right now. So yes, it was an interesting way to start our trip. Literally, we were like 12 minutes from the place. We just got into like the main city center of Peñasco. We went on and had a beautiful day, and now it's day 2. So let's just hope and pray that keeping the windows rolled down when we drive is exactly what will do the trick, and we just have a beautiful day. So I am actually about to braid this hair up and get started with my workout. So let's go. colors, but we're matching. We're both wearing white and navy blue. Again, if you've seen the Hawaii vlog, you've seen this skirt, my dimple skirt with a white tank top, my sunnies, and that's it. We're gonna go get what, baby?
Tacos.
Yes. Okay, got mango again. This mango is much better. The other one, just like, it either wasn't ripe, it was like too soggy, too soft. I decided no chamoy, no tahini, just give me some mango. And it's yummy, yummy, delicious. Shake contents to the bottom of the bag. Get to the bottom. Squeeze firmly to rupture inner pouch. Shake it vigorously to mix contents. Is this vigorously enough? I don't know if this is working. I can just get you cold water from the fridge. It doesn't say how long to shake vigorously, and that's not cold. Or will it get cold over time? Let me just get you cold water.
I just did it, baby.
Is that cold enough or do you want ice? Oh shit, that is cold. Let me get you a towel. My husband pulled his back muscle or his neck muscle, so he's out for the count. But we're gonna figure out what to do for dinner. This is our second night. I'm just wearing a little black tank top and a full-length skirt. Ow!
Sorry.
Look, we're both wearing all black.
No, I'm not technically.
Oh.
My neck hurts. Let's go.
I love a good all black fit. Ooh, yummy, yummy.
Yeah. Above.
Two. I'm taking a little video.
So good.
Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. So we just got back from breakfast and it was delicious. We went to this place called Avocado. They just give you a lot of food. Like, they literally gave me 5 sausage links. I don't know how I'm supposed to eat 5 sausage links. So I'm a little bit full. But I'm so mad at myself because I only packed 1 hair tie and I lost it. So I wear my hair down this whole time. I can't do any of the 6 easy boho braid knotless styles that I showed you in my last video because I don't have a freaking hair tie. So I made such a rookie mistake. But the water is calm. I think we're about to go jet skiing today, which if you watch my Cancun vlog, we actually got drone footage, but we fell off because of me, but also the water was so choppy. Oh God. But the water out here is so calm. So I'm excited. Still a little bit nervous, but I'm excited. Look at my outfit. Baby, come show your outfit.
Huh?
Come show your outfit. Are we gonna jet ski?
Yeah.
Look, they're jet skiing.
So I was looking out.
I think it's a perfect time too. I didn't realize it wasn't even 12 yet.
What time is it?
It's literally...
Holy sh**.
It's 10:46.
Feels like 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Holy. Yeah, we're going jet ski. 100% we're going jet ski.
That looks so scary.
Are you guys ready to see her fall off a jet ski again?
I could bring my phone though.
You know, we should get like a GoPro, so like shit like that we can do and just like know we're not gonna damage the camera.
What are we about to go do?
Jet ski. And they're open, babies. Come on.
Okay.
Let's go.
I think they're done, baby. How much do you want?
Just give me 2 for 100.
All right, wish me luck because I'm gonna be jet skiing all by myself. But the water seems calm, right?
Yeah. It's not like how it was.
I will say this time jet skiing, when you told me to lean forward, I felt like I could go faster. But fast just still feels so unsafe. Okay. Muchach has something to share.
Huh.
Tell us your findings.
Oh, I think I saw a shark.
So tell us the story. What's your... Oh, you keep turning the music down? Or we're going to get copywritten.
Well, we were going, I guess you would say, southeast maybe, really fast, and I go towards like the coast over there by the boats, and you could see like a big fin kind of flop in the air that looked like a shark fin. I couldn't tell if it was a dolphin. I don't think dolphins are out here, so it's not a dolphin. I don't think it was a big fish because there's no marlin or anything out here either. But I think it was a shark. Could have been like a tiger shark or something.
What did you think when you saw it? Were you scared?
I mean, I was a little freaked out, and then I was like, well, I think that thing's more scared of me than I am of it. So I kind of just kept driving and then turned around. And I figured I'd tell you because I know you'd get scared.
Yeah. Because then I wanted to leave.
Yeah.
But that's scary.
Yeah, it is scary.
Okay, could we maybe do just a few face pics with my hair and the braids and my hat?
Are you gonna edit that out? Come on.
Ooh, someone put their butt there or something?
Yeah, what did they do?
Going down.
Alright.
Our last outing.
Yeah, no more anxiety, hopefully, after this.
No more anxiety. Only good vibes. That's someplace we gotta go.
Yeah, but they don't pull you over for tent.
You don't know that?